Hey everyone, welcome back to CodeCrack. This is part 2 of our ebook app series, where we'll connect our app to an online JSON file and display our book data inside the RecyclerView. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, go check it out, where we designed the layout and created the RecyclerView adapter. So, in this part, our goal is simple. Fetch book details like title, author, PDF link, thumbnail, and description from a JSON file hosted online. We'll be using the Volley library for making network requests. It's fast, lightweight, and perfect for beginners. Now open mainActivity.java. Hey, I've already set up the RecyclerView, just like in part 1. We're using a grid layout manager with 2 columns S. All our books appear nicely side by side. So far, everything looks the same as before, but now comes the main part, fetching data. We create a new method called fetchBooksFromJSON, where all our network magic happens. Here we create a request queue, which handles all our internet requests in the background. Next, we use a JSON array request, because our JSON file contains an array of book objects. Inside this loop, we go through each object in the JSON array and extract all book details. This adds every book to our book list. Finally, after looping through all the data, we notify our adapter so the RecyclerView updates instantly. And if anything goes wrong during parsing, we catch the error and show a toast message, super handy for debugging. Volley also lets us handle failed requests easily. If the link is broken or there's no internet, it'll show a simple message like failed to fetch data. And finally, we add our requester queue. That's it. Our data fetching system is ready. We first need to create a JSON file that will hold all our books information. So, let's open Visual Studio Code and create a new file called books.json. Inside this file, we'll store our book details as an array of JSON objects. Each book will include 5 main properties: title, author, PDF URL, description, and thumbnail URL. Let's write it out. Each curly bracket represents one book. All the books are wrapped inside square brackets, meaning this is a JSON array. Each property, like title or author, is inside double quotes. And don't forget the commas between items. Missing one will cause your app to crash when parsing JSON. Now here's the important part. If you already have a list of real book titles, authors, and PDF links uploaded to your Google Drive, simply copy all those real details, paste them inside this JSON file, and make sure every link is in the correct format. This way, your app will load your actual ebooks from Google Drive instead of sample data. Once your JSON file is ready, let's upload it to Google Drive. Right-click Get Link and set it to anyone with a link. You'll get a link like this. Now, switch back to Android Studio. Inside your main activity.java, right at the top, create a variable to store your JSON URL like this. Then convert it into a downloadable format like this. Next, before fetching the data, we need to give our app internet permission. So open your Android manifest.xml and just add this line above the application tag. I will add a default book image here. Now let's run the app. You can see our book titles and authors loading directly from a JSON file hosted on Google Drive. Each time you update the JSON online, the app automatically reflects those changes. No manual updates needed. We successfully connected our ebook app to live JSON data using Volley. In the next part, we'll display the thumbnail images, open PDFs when tapped, and make our app look even more professional. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CodeCrack for more Android tutorials.